The graph below represents the work done against gravity by a student as she walks up a flight of stairs at constant speed. Compared to the power generated by the student after 2 seconds, the power generated by the students after 4 seconds is what? So let's think about what power is. In an equation in your reference tables, power is work over time. And if we try applying this to the graph, well, work over time, look at the graph, we've got the value on the y-axis over the value on the x-axis. So we've got sort of a change in y, right, the rise, the vertical portion of the graph, over the change in x portion of the graph. So if we apply this idea of power to the graph, power is work over time, which is change in y over change in x, which is just the slope of the graph. And how does the slope of the graph change as time goes on? Well, really it doesn't. Looking at it, it's a linear graph with a constant slope the whole time. And so the power generated as time goes on will remain the same. Answer choice 1. Another way of thinking about this is, as a general definition, power is the rate at which you do work, the rate at which this energy is expended. And if you look at the graph, again, it goes up at a constant rate. And so the rate at which the work is going up remains the same for the entire time interval. So based on that definition of power, we can also get answer choice 1. Power generated is the same.